everyone, it's Alex. Welcome back. Today we are doing another Guess the Brand. Don't judge a palette by its brand name. So I have my palette here and I am ready to do the look with you guys. I told you that I apologize for last time because I forgot to zoom in. I know, I suck. But we are here to do another look. It's cold as usual in this room, so today I'm wearing a scarf just to try to keep me warm. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. You guys can see the color, the technique, the shades, brushes that I'm using, you know. I have everything done on my face minus lips and obviously the eyes because we're doing that. I don't want to pick my lip yet because I don't know what look I'm doing on my eyeballs. But we're going to try to do a look tonight. It's very late in the night. This is the only time I was able to film this because it's been one of those weeks where I'm basically on my own. Mr. Man has worked so much that I'm on my own. So I gotta do what I gotta do, right? Let's go for a little bit of pink up here. You guys know that I at least have to throw some color in here. I'm just gonna throw it up above here. If you guys can hear that wind, it is howling out there. It is so bad. It's like super windy. All right, so that's like a soft pink up there. What shall we do for the lid? I think we are going to go with, let me see. This is so windy that it sounds like somebody is trying to open up my door. So we're gonna go with this shade. I should have grabbed a bigger brush just because this one's gonna take me forever. Let's go. This one. Because of the season, I've been into these type of colors. Warm tones just don't look that appealing on me this time of year because I'm so pale. So that gives you a little hint of what I'm using. As usual, you guys know to go into my community tab in my channel so you guys can vote there. And I would never put anything that isn't similar to each other, so don't worry about that because I would never, you know, put like Tom Ford and Wet Wild together as an option because obviously they're not the same. Now we are going to deepen out the outer V. Let's go with this one. Deepen it out just a tad. Forgot for a second what I used. Well, Alex, get with it. Dab, dab, dab. And then we'll blend it out. I'm so happy you guys like this series because it was like a stretch. I'm like, oh man, if this doesn't catch on, I guess it wasn't such a good idea. But you guys seem to love it. So that is a good idea. That was something that excited me when I saw quite a few of you say that this was a good idea. So I just wanted something fun, interactive with you guys as always. Something that made you think, put the true beauty enthusiasts to the test. You know, the usual. I'm just going to clean out anything there. And now for the lower lash line. Where's my brush for the lower lash line? We is going to go with this. It's like a would I call this? Like a deep tealish shade. Can you guys tell? Holy moly, that's very let's bring that out, shall we? It's very, very pigmented. Diffuse, it looks like a bluish. I don't know if you guys even see it. It may not show on camera the real color of it, but it's like a teal blue, very dark. It has like gray to it. All right. Where's that blending out brush? Guess what? I didn't get some shadow in my eyeballs. Must be getting better at this. All right. Yes, ma'am. I think we're done. So this is the look before lashes, mascara, wing liner. I'm gonna put all that on and then I'll show you one last look with it all put together with the lips. So that way you guys can take one final guess. What palette did I use today? Alright you guys, so this is the tutorial using the mystery palette. Head on over to my channel, my actual channel. On the community tab, you will see the 4 options of what you will choose. Good luck. I'll let you guys know in the next top picks and skips what the palette I use. Hopefully I'll remember to actually verbally speak about it because I want to share with you guys the actual shades that I used and you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about because obviously the first one I dropped the ball on that one and completely forgot. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching and supporting me. As always, I will catch you guys in my next video and don't forget that a smile is the best makeup a girl can wear. Bye guys.